Tindizi TV Ubwansu Bw'omuguzi.
Tariki ni komi cy'umutenyo kane umwaka w'ekiri bubere 2024 ase nerobeire wikirano kwanike bunango koletrande amangana maya ase enchira yowenye mwancho muri nabakwenda gutobwatia ase nsemo chiche mitandao ase nsemo ya Facebook Wetrandizi TV News Digital nabiga nsemo ya YouTube Wetrandizi TV News ase nsemo ya website nabakatonya wetra www.tindizitv.net iritere Frida Kerubo nalio kaneke bna chivi channel yogiria gukira sole asenchira ya bene nere Felistas Kabendi asinsemo chivi arkele ni gotoko watanere Lydia Mose toskatonye gerangwira nanda segeke kekerbusyo elinde ngomanye amange. Mwancho murigere yango kwaligani bene ilinde tobeto sanga asobwamo gochaka bono iga goika omoelio ama yaye birebigani gotoko yachaka korwa asorgongorwa gusi asengo kumanya buna nigo abegeno abedini ya Islamu bagendete gochengera litukeri gali nene magega yo gokora kwingata na gusaba asigika cy'umutinyi o giti o jamia Alikwene kyabuna nkwena nabale amabaga sokwene kyanga abegeno kora sedini ya Islamu abare abasaye babere bakwenyorera ebibande elinde
Kwa majina naitwa Said Awadh Tito, ambassador wa Kevin Arwasa, mheshimiwa wetu mtarajiwa. Anaomba msamaha Waislamu wote wa Kisii. Alikuwa jumuike na sisi leo, lakini alipata safari ya ghafla kwenda nchi ya nje. Mahali popote yako tunamuombea heri njema na anawishia Waislamu wote wa Kisii minal aidin. Kevin Arwasa ndio tulikuwa tunamtarajia leo, lakini inshallah atajumuika na sisi anytime atapofika Kisii. Na anaomba msamaha kwa Waislamu wote wa Kisii, anaomba mumsamee. Na kama youth coordinator wa Kisii tumekubali msamaha wa Kevin Arwasa na tunamuomba afike kwa Waislamu. Idul Fitri inamaanisha tutoe zaka. Wale walikuwa wanaweza watoe kabla ya imam kupanda kwa mimbar. Hiyo ndio maana ya Idul Fitri na tunafuraha, tunasherekea na kwa kila mtu kwa leo. Na kwa ujumbe yangu kwa serikali yetu, tunaomba youth wapewe ID haswa Waislamu kwa leo. Na kwa ujumbe yangu kwa serikali yetu, tunaomba youth wapewe ID haswa Waislamu. Inamaanisha tutoe zaka. Wale walikuwa wanaweza watoe kabla ya imam kupanda kwa mimbar. Hiyo ndio maana ya Idul Fitri na tunafuraha, tunasherekea na kwa kila mtu kwa leo. Na kwa ujumbe yangu kwa serikali yetu, tunaomba youth wapewe ID haswa Waislamu.
Mwancho murigereria gotigana nayo na gosikamutu asorobotironde ni gongo kumanya buna mugavana wa county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo ni gaberega kubolwa kweni kemnango tambe yale obokoreri ase omochi okeroka anene ase nsemeli ya magendero okwana omo MCA kurwa ase wodi yerigoma nyambega gisesa nigo enikebna nigo mocho yo ogenderete kwagachwa ase abantu abange barabe bagokonyeka
nigonga ntu abantu bakeroka nande tunya kumusaba nande karanyore project chinde affordable housing go chachire tuwato mugondore matege ga gochimontine esiwere system tuwati toni ya keroka karanyore ni project ku national government no ni national government ngoro sire bintu bikurunga county ICT centers na birobyo karanyore project kabreyo nera tokonye ichigo changa gantu keroka uya lady nande ntubwate obore mugoise ngoro inche amono umwe MCA we chunwodo muske weekly future ndo form the committee yabagaka ba mwamusioma na bumubea so na buboro bwabo kunete lami yo kunya kokwanera abantu kubatenge ibintu mbire court ba respect process yo enjera egenderete
amayanda nigo abaga kubuata nse emambia ya lero kura ase ekinyorogia bumonchiri ekegotoka ase ensemeli ya kanunda ase sublocation ya Iranda magega yo mugaka oyo mobwe miaka ya igatwa kwerusia obomoyo kolengana n'abanyakinyorabo nigo omusacho yabwate ogoichirana kwibirengelyo kubatikana nokungusana na no muryoye ekyo kirabe kwirira akakorusia obomoyo obwaye kolende ababwatani bali bakumurikira amangana yemechando nigo babagukirana asenseme yo nabagokorusia muberoye ase obagokoigwa ase enkendo ya Kisi Teaching and Referral
kwenye batana muntu ni nyombanto kumanya kiyabete usingi kiyabete
enkaya ne yendo muamata engane ye yato situire bono mambia ekere twabukire twanyorire bikuro ntu twabuga no mungina bwenke yoro murweire mungina bwenke ni garo murweire side muna bono gatari kwenyara musubati umwabore mbari ense mogaiga ni gasire tendera ari korusi umojari bono nto mangane twabuga ngana arayo bono twachire kuminyoka gocha twanyore no mungwano obwe turege simaime mungwano ye story ne ringa mukaye yakunganya na ndo irano nganyo oirana paka abana bone barese esengina bono tware kubori abana basubati bagerira abamura abange bagwita kusaba gaka ngaki yara ko babuya abana basubati enka ya karororo ba ogambwa stinse amochonsi ibere
obo tukini go bagendete gokorekana kubwatikana bunani go obwoyo butali oboikirano obwa ababogwikira ase abaleme ase serikali yaberege kwimukya egetambukiro nabagokora ingolya obwoyo bwo nabagokwaneke bunani oboikirano bole ase obotumiki ase nsemeli yemigondo okwana chinga kibabete bagutwara egeikaro abo litkoligoro nigo abawakili Dansan Omari na boigo Cliff Ombeta babere bakomocha committee yali kubolya amabolyo ayalengete obwoyo butali oboikirano asibane kiremuna nigo babwate obwancherelya na nigo bagende gutuberera bali babere bakubwatiraniwa namanganayo.
If this committee was here to favor somebody, then they have succeeded. If this committee had been a stacked deck from before, then this was intentional. And when we told them that when they told us that they wanted a printed report and we told them they can give us a day, and what do they tell us? No, we are now ready because the Hansard records everything.
Stakabadhi zote Joe Kariuki amezitoa zimetoka NCPP na KEBS. Hakuna hata mahali moja Kariuki ana mahabara laboratory ya kufanya utafiti. Utafiti ule umefanywa na asasi ya serikali. Bunge leo linajaribu kuwakinga. Bunge hili leo kamati limejaribu kukinga wale wezi, wale wakora, wale waliomo kwenye KEBS na NCPP.
The farmers are here.
They will talk. You want to have
And yet, this chairman, who we thought was competent, and I am sorry to say, when I saw him at first, I thought that he was a very competent chairman. Let me just say that. He opened his mouth to speak. I was disappointed from the word go. He's a disaster, and I hope he's not a chair in any other committee. It's public. They had to sit because of per diem. The man who doesn't even know anything is taking the Wikipedia to start finding out the definition of diatomite and where it is found, whether it is found in Nakuru and Naivasha. That's all he knows. And that also from Wikipedia.
Even the name organic is a generic from KEBS. It's not him.
So your client is claiming?
Our client is supplying what KEBS allowed him to supply.
The right thing.
And that is the right thing.
Waende
washike wale waganga wa KEBS.
Egati ya babunge kurwa Sorgongo rwa North Eastern nigo babiri bagwesoke bene nabo igokomochia serikali ase okweba Orogongo rukubwatikana buna nigo amagendero abere gakwirana magega usanga nigo babakwerera emechando bagwetera anne chingaki embule nyinge egendete kwanekigwa ase chinsemo asbene kebna nigo etoigo yabirige kwanekigwa nabo igo obosombi gotenenigwa nigo babulire serikali kwanekebna nkuimukire getambukire kebwenete ase okogorora Orogongo.
We will be talking about the chaos that we are seeing with the rains falling in Northeastern Province, for the Northeastern region, the usual chaos that we see whenever it rains and the floods, roads cut off, people stranded on the roads, no supplies going in and out, or coming in from major cities, up to and including Garissa, which is only 300 or so kilometers away from Nairobi today, cut off, and no vehicles coming from there. I've prepared a short statement on the state of the infrastructure, and I'll read that statement to begin with, and then my colleagues will add on to what they have to say about the issue of infrastructure. We'll also be talking about the alleged dumping of toxic waste in northern Kenya, and we'll also talk about the doctor strike. Those three issues is what we will address. I'll now start reading the statement that we've prepared. 60 years since independence, northeastern Kenya continues to grapple with significant infrastructural deficits, a reality that hampers the region's socio-economic progress. Despite the nation's advances, this crucial region remains marginalized in terms of road networks, access to essential services, and broader infrastructural development. Today, we stand in solidarity with the communities of Northeastern as the leaders from Wajir County and raise a collective voice against the enduring neglect and we are urging immediate and substantial investment in the region's infrastructure. The lack of proper roads and essential infrastructure in northeastern Kenya is not just a matter of regional concern, but a national issue, and some would even say even a national shame that reflects on our commitment to equality.
Magega yoroboti rwa nadiko koereligwa omuraibense na baigo omuraibe kiama gia Azimio la Umoja ona nigo abakenya bagendete kuganyirira ningi kirabege kobekwa na baigo kwenekenga alliance abetega kulikwa asoroboti ro abeire kago ikiraniwa gukwana abataniko rwa sensemeri ya NCCK nigo babere bakwenekebna oroboti ro nigo rubuate amangana alingete ekatiba ya Kenya asekolende amaunchirelio abwenete kokolekana elinde oroboti ori gose ali alingete sensemeri oroboti ro abekawikiraniwa.
The people of Kenya have basic rights to know and agree with the recommendations made by the NADCO. It would be very deceptive for the National Assembly to unilaterally implement decisions that radically affect the governance and electoral environment of the Kenyans.
The failure to constitute the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, thus IEBC, is breaching the rights of the people of Kenya. The boundaries review have been breached, and Kenya is currently in a constitutional crisis. We call upon the Attorney General to apply for an advisory opinion from the Supreme Court of Kenya on what should be done to deal with the failure to adhere to the constitutional timelines for review of boundaries of elections.
Ababwatani kurasa bwa azimio la umoja ni goba goserere kubwaterana n'abanyagitari ase ogosoa asensemeri y'umugiro bakoragwa no muraibekia magia waipa Kalonzo Musyoka nigo amukirie eserikali ase ogotanyara lichibu lyogosonsora omuchando bw'abanyagitari kinga kiene kyabana nigo abakenya abange bagendeta gosiria obugima bwabo kubwatkana no mugiro bw'abanyagitari oyogendeta kwanekigwa asensingima.
We all are aware that the wage bill is high, but the way to handle the high wage bill is not to deny people rights. After all, they are collecting so much in terms of taxation. What are they doing with all this money? That is what Kenyans are asking. Why don't you have collected all the money from every Kenyan, bleeding, literally, bleeding the economy in order to get money. So we can only come to one conclusion, that this is an extravagant regime.
Pay your doctors, and yet you have money to give new jobs called CSs, creating offices, and rewarding your cronies, and who are going to be earning more than the honorable members of parliament, and you're saying you cannot pay the doctors. This is the height of irresponsibility by any government.
Manje murigereria korwa soroboti orunyo na ikiromo elio bo mangana meja asebire biga kulinde toska tonyegera chikoraga chinsa 10 ayona mangi nenyara sinchira yobwenye nabakwenda kutubwatia asinsemo chiche mitandao sensemo ya Facebook gwetrandizi TV News Digital nabiga sensemeri ya YouTube gwetrandizi TV News asensemo ya website nabakatunya gwetranda www.indizitv.net maga kamera sokone kuna ebichana boigelio gira gwekera sole asinchira ya bene nere Felistas Kabendi asinsemo chibyara kale tobeto kubwatanere Lydia Muse na inchiria ne Frida Kirubo twara obuligelia oroya.